are on the roof. What we're looking for here is hail damage. First thing we're going to be looking at is some thin metals. That will kind of give you a signal right away if there is hail. Right here, I'm going to put some chalk on the vents. See if I can get some hail damage. Oh yeah, right away. As you can see here, I want to get a zoom in on here. We got hits here, 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 here. So I'm going to take a picture of that for the evidence, so we can show it to the client here. Some valley hail damage. Next thing we're going to do is go to the next thin metal on the roof, which is usually the turtle vents. Try to walk the valleys here.
And keep it safe.
Keep it safe. I'm seeing just with my eye, without the chalk, I'm seeing some oxidization and some more dents. Oh, that's a nice view right there. Okay, so these are our turtle vents here. These are common. These are metal. Some have plastic. But since it's metal, we'll be able to see here. There's a couple more hits. Right here, there's a hail hit here. And some more oxidization. So again, I'm going to take a video or a picture of proof so we can show the client. All right, right off. Then we'll just go to another vent down here just to see. And on this one too, get another supporting documentation.
Oh, there we go.
With some more hail. So here, right there. Take the picture. Proof.
And by the size of the hits, they look pretty good size.
Yeah, that's looking about a quarter size, so it's got to be that size or at least a little bit bigger of that hail. All right, so now we're gonna look for the hail damage on the shingles or roof.
All right.
So since we know there's hits here, there's hit on the vents there, I'm actually going to go back on this surface. This could be something there. Feeling it, it's a little soft. The granulates are gone, and there is a visible hit. That is a little discolorization. Not too soft. Go down here. Here's a guy. Granulates are gone and it's soft. Here's another one. Granulates are gone and again it's soft. And you can see the marking. So I'm going to take some more pictures here. This. Keep moving. Down a little bit more. There's a hit. There's a good one right next to it again here. Again, it's a little softer. There's a hit, softer, and the granulates are gone. That's another good picture to take for the client. Okay. Yep, there's another good one. Definitely. There. Okay. So we got enough hits, I would say, on the roof to be confident in this. Just on one face here. So we're gonna move. We got the vents, we got the roof damage, and we have the turtle vents as damage right there so far. So that's 3 indications of hail present and hail damage on this roof. And we're looking for the square tests of the 10 feet by 10 feet. We're looking between 5 and 7 hits, usually 5 to 10 in some different insurance companies. So right away on this side, we can feel confident. And the neighbor over there filed a claim as well. And we already presented damage. So this is just another next door neighbor has about the same damage. So this is good proof right here.
So it's safe to say that the neighbor next door probably has it also.
Safe to say, and we can almost, yeah, and yep, I would say it'd be safe to say the next door neighbor, and we're gonna try to get the rest of these ones. So let's try the gutter. We'll do one last gutter check here. I'm gonna wipe this down so that doesn't see it from the road. Perhaps you can see some chipping in the paint. Not too much here. Let's try a little more. Yeah, there's some paint chip there. I'm gonna take a picture of that. You see that little dot on the gutter there where the chalk filled in. That's more supporting documentation. There. Wipe this back down. Okay. So now I'm just going to take another couple pictures here just to have some more pictures of the roof. Different angles.
He's taking those for the file.
Yep, more files, more documentation. You can check out the window. Let's get some videos of checking out the window. Well, actually, we'll have to go down one, but what we're looking at here, yeah, we can get a little close-up on this. There could be some fresh hits on this wooden exterior of the window. Some fresh markings of wood chip paint along the side there. So I'm gonna take a picture for supporting documentation. Okay. No cracks present though. That's what we're looking for. Okay. More pictures. Yeah, I'm gonna take a picture of this. You can see in the valley right there that there's okay. Here we go. I think we're done here. We'll present our findings to the client and inform them about the damage.
All right. And that's a wrap.